beauties, and welcome back to my channel. I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty. If it is your first time here, welcome to the channel that is all about all things beauty. That's your hair, your makeup, and your fashion. And occasionally I throw in a little lifestyle vlogs. And if you are already a part of the Enhanced Beauty Squad, welcome back. Y'all, this is my birthday month. And in today's video, I am showing you different outfits that I want to slay for my birthday. Okay, let me just give you a little backstory as to how this video came about. All right, last year COVID started right around my birthday, but on my birthday, every restaurant in Houston closed, shut down. I had plans for a birthday celebration that could not go through. So I ended up celebrating another kind of way, but the outfit that I was planning on wearing last year was actually the outfit that I was supposed to wear in 2019 for my birthday. But on my birthday, the weather decided to be cool. Yeah, you know, we reside in Houston, Texas. You know, it just go up and down, but I could not wear the outfit in 2019, so I decided I'm gonna wear it in 2020. Well, no, didn't happen either. So now here we are in 2021. Yeah. What I am doing is I have so many different looks, y'all, that I just wanted to do a try on haul, and I need y'all to help me and tell me which look you think I should rock for my birthday brunch. Now, you will notice that every outfit contains green because my birthday is March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. Y'all already know that's the day of luck and leprechauns and green and gold and all that good stuff. I always carry it out all the way, y'all. I wear the green whenever I do anything. So that will explain every outfit. Before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, keep the comments respectful. Let me know which look you think I should slay for my birthday. Without further ado, let's get into the video. This is a really cute two-piece tracksuit that I actually found on Amazon. I like it. Let you see.
One time for the birthday chick, two times for the birthday.
This is from Amazon. The heels, you've seen these heels dozens of times. They're from Fashion Nova. This is a really cute two-piece tracksuit. It's very, very stretchy. Has the zipper at the bottom, so you can actually make the leg of these pants tight if you choose to, and make it like just a skinny leg all the way down. But I decided to keep them unzipped just to kind of give that split seam look that some of the pants have these days. And this top is a big crop top. This is the back. These pants, this string that you see here, it actually pulls. They are elastic in the waist. This is a functioning string. It's not just here for decorations. You can actually pull it to make the waist a little bit tighter and cinched in. But this is a cute look. So look number one.
Don't hit it, it's your birthday.
Look number two. This look is just a tad bit different. As you can see, this green is more of a hunter green, emerald green. Green that's St. Patrick's Day green is usually that Kelly green, that really pretty green like what I had on before. But I saw this and I still liked it, and I was like, I think I could do something with it if I decide to wear it. Now the pants, I just found some cute high-waist trousers. As I'm putting them on, y'all, I broke the zipper. So now, never wore the pants. Had to pay for the pants, and now I have to pay to get the zipper fixed. I mean, it's an easy fix, but it's all right. Let me just let you see.
Happy birthday. Turn up for your birthday.
Cute, huh? This entire look is from Fashion Nova. The top, the pants, and the heels. I searched high and low, y'all, for some green heels that I like. Couldn't find any green heels, but these heels right here, I found them on Fashion Nova. They have that green iridescent look to them, kind of gold. So it was perfect. And when I saw them, I was like, yes, I'm getting those. And then they have the clear heel in the back. The pants, they have really good stretch. And let me let you see the back. Really cute. It comes with this tie belt. And I love that because as a curvy girl with a backside, and you have these types of belts, if it sticks out in the back, it helps pull it without leaving that gap in the back. I mean, y'all know what I'm talking about. This is look number two. Tell me what y'all think. Look number three, serving all the extra vibes. Really cute jumpsuit. Yo, I know this looks like, Lord, where is she going? She is just doing way too much. But honey, I love it. These over dramatic sleeves. Just cute. Y'all see this? I had to turn the lighting down so you could really get a good look at it. This is the back. I'm trying my hardest, keeping my head up like this because I don't want any makeup to get on it. Y'all, it's kind of thick. It's really thick. I don't know what type of material this is, but it's very thick. But she is extra. And I paired it with the same heels, the green. Tell me what y'all think of look number 3.
I like doing too much. Look.
I'm sorry. This jumper is from Shein and it is a size large. It zips up the back, as you can see. Still trying to make sure I don't mess up the neck of it before I wear it. Again, look number 3. All right, now y'all know I could not have a birthday try-on haul without including one of my faves, Bodycon. This is a cute green midi bodycon dress. Let me let you see.
It's gonna be a party, y'all.
The shoes are here to stay for the most part with these looks. I'm serving monochromatic vibes right now. And if you don't know what monochromatic is, that's when you dress in all the same color, all one color. And here we have the greens, the green dress, the green iridescent heels. This dress is from Shein and it is a size large, very, very stretchy. I stepped into it. It zips up the back and it's just cute. I mean, I like it. I love the shade of green and it's look number 4. So what do you think?
Happy birthday.
Remember, I'm having a birthday brunch. Is this serving birthday brunch vibes? Ooh, y'all, I'm sweating. But now we have look number 5 and y'all can see this cute off the shoulder sweater. Paired it with a pair of black flared leg jeans, distressed. The sweater is from Twiggy's Boutique and the jeans are from Fashion Nova. Let me let you see the back. Got distress going on here, little cheeky cheek showing, but not too much. Really cute. These bottoms are very, very stretchy. And I just paired them with the same heels. This is more of a casual look. It comes off the shoulders, but as you move around, you know, it kind of come up, so you gotta help it a little bit. It's cute and I like it. Look number 5. Tell me what you think.
It's your birthday.
All right, y'all, we have come to the last birthday look of the day. And this is the outfit that I have been having in my closet since 2019 for my birthday, okay? It's a really cute, casual sleigh. This top is actually a crop top. Y'all see that? It has the elastic around here, comes off the shoulder. And these are some high waist, wide leg linen pants. It comes with this belt. Let me let you see the back. Really cute. They don't have pockets, and this look you can actually dress up as I did with the same heels, or you could dress it down and put it with a pair of really cute flats. Either way, you cannot go wrong with this look. This outfit comes from Rainbow. Now, again, 2 years old, but I am determined to go ahead and wear this outfit, even if it's not for my birthday. Go ahead and wear it, get it out of my system, but it's really cute. Really like it. And these are considered, well, they're similar to, not considered, they're similar to the paper bag pants, you know, the paper bag pants that have the really high waist and then it has the belt. But that's how these are, and this waist is elastic. Last birthday look of the day. Make sure you leave your comment. This is look number 6. Tell me what you think. Cast your vote right now. Right, I want to thank you for tuning in to my birthday try-on haul. Make sure you leave your vote in the comments. That's 6 different looks. Tell me which look you think I should rock for my birthday brunch. Not for my birthday, but for my birthday brunch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at enhanced_beauty and at Curvy Girl Style Guide. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and again, respectfully leave a comment. And of course, each and every day, stay poppin'. I will catch you all in the next video. Adios.